Gang. You already know what time it is, gang. Yo, Dan Mafia, see what I deal with today. You don't know. Yeah, man, the Dan is back in this bitch with another reaction. Today, yo, we got Najeeriii and RajahWild. This one is called, what? Like the Life of the Party? I believe that's what it was called. Yeah, man, Life of the Party. You see me, I say, we'll check it out and see what I don't know when Najeeriii and RajahWild link up. It's always a vibe. They always got that banger. Definitely got the rock bats and they don't set them in check when they link up. You see me, I say, yeah, man, I feel the boobies and the fillies them. You see me when they link up. So I check it out. See what I deal with today. Yeah, man, I'm expecting a real interesting collab. These two work well together, so this song should be a banger. And the younger audience definitely should like the one. So I'm gonna check it out and see what dog I come with. And then the Life of the Party, so I expect a party song. You see me? Probably a talk about some girls or something. Or just them five. Let's see what I'm gonna do with. RajahWild, Najeeriii, Life of the Party. Let's get it.
Rajah, Bob, boys.
Yo, they had the game sound effects, but Rajah wasn't playing shit, bro. Let's think I was on an empty loading screen, buddy. What the make it sound like I play Mortal Kombat. Or am I tripping? Is he playing? He ain't playing shit on that game.
Rajah, Bob.
He's on the select empty screen, bro.
Boys.
I still got the sound effect like him play. He wasn't playing shit, bro. Bokla, tell la pack up, you know, and you know, left in white room, you know. Nah, left in white room, man.
Hey, boys.
Pack up in a bag.
Go for your weekend, you know. Don't want nobody in my house, nobody in my pool, no shoes in my house. You hear me? And Rajah,
nobody in our house, nobody in our pool, no shoes now. Adi banga jungle.
Don't touch my piano.
Rajah don't touch so Rajah can't play instrument. Eh? Don't touch your piano. Alright.
Zenval.
What you tell the Senegal was and the bumbo clad rap back in charge and to do them sitting here. You know side that them are going to do. To know, man. Senegal boss and Mr. Simple. Life for the party.
Life for the party. Money enough so we hype out brawling. She wants to suck up my big toe. But that's kinda nasty.
Life for the party, carry money brawling. She wants to call me big toe. But that nasty. If you are, hey, this the vibe I'm hearing from when it could be shot in the club. Let's hear about it.
Life party. No like I feel like them a darkness. Dog and my money smell so I know me happy. All I'm a girl, them a Barbie.
Girl, my money smells sour. I know me happy. How are you, bro?
Darkness, dog and my money smells so I know me happy.
Yo.
All I'm a girl, them a Barbie. No pull up if you now bring a friend from charge it. If they ask me.
Girl, them a Barbie. No pull up, you now bring none for the chat. Hey! That man said, if girl feel your Barbie or your parrot, man.
Your body big, man, is sent for you.
But now that, I see a couple girl and so much man I go there. What's so much man I go, brother? They bongo jungle.
Pull up if you now bring a friend from charge it. If they ask me. Your body big, man, is sent for your fuck lift. Babes, I don't see it goes up from a talkie. I'm more busting on your face, make you can't see. Nah, ask me, cause if you ask me, tell her that brawling, babe, move, fuck out your throat till it judge. I know it's your breath with the talking, mama, you have to deal with the cocky like cartridge. Bring a friend.
Bokla, mama, you have to deal with the cartridge. Remember cartridge tried to take the 64 and NES and them thing there. Yeah? On the PSP and the Game Boy SP and them thing there. Deal with it like a cartridge. You know what you do with cartridges now work? Huh? Alright, if you don't know, find out.
She chop then she live. We chop then for bricks. I'm up at them for 6. We lock them for wig. We cut them for sip. She pop 20 pill back.
I lock them for wig. But we back them for 6.
We cut them for sip. She pop 20 pill back. It have them for flip. She undress for sit that bitch have let for give. With a dentist spit pan this long lengthy stick. Man dark and cold like chop meant for sick. Man master told cause she chop meant for drip.
Party. Don't lock off like them a darkness. You want to suck up my big toe. But that kinda
nasty. Life for the party. Alright, this is a vibe. This is a vibe. They gotta play this in the club. All y'all lazy DJs. Listen, man.
Hello?
Pops,
What's up?
All you have about buddy.
There, study. Two
I
game.
don't know the piano.
Touch a piano? Nah,
That's right. All right.
nothing like that.
Yeah, what's up? Make sure I don't piano. Nah, just they study and play a game, eh? Where I study, bro? Eh? I know I got them to study. You see, yeah.
All right.
Later. Have a wonderful time.
Party, gonna lock off like them a darkness. You want suck up my big toe, but that kinda nasty. If you ask me, send fall, gonna lock off like them a darkness. Dog, I'm a money smell.
Easy.
So I know me happy. All of my gal in my bar, been no pull up if you now. From like a bit of kuma, like a gal, them a tell me I'm sick.
Easy them, girl. You see you.
Kuma, like a gal. Them a tell me I'm sick too much. Like go move for rude, don't move for fuck too much. No man I start in love me for ways where them same one did I tell me for put on. Say no, come up, go down. Man dash a
Love me for the ways with this them saying one that tell me for put on. That's why you can't listen to people that do your thing, be yourself, and do your vibe.
$1,000,000 in your bosom. Don't even know so senseless. And I be a rascal.
I dash. She ain't nice guys. She like nice guys. I should have seen up me might drive quite fast. We full of white and I night dance.
Hey, who's Sid, bro? Cause this nigga talk about Sid every blood. The man say, yo.
We full of white like a night dance. Like coffee light, we a 5 night dance. She pop off the tight, she's a dry moms. We shop all the time with a 9 cars. Every die like that.
I party up so we hype out brawling. Oh, brawling your fuck. Suck up my
All them Sid, bro, cause Najeeriii always a sing about this nigga, bro. You see what I say? She say, you're a nice star. And she like NASCAR. She say, you said your car fast. Hey.
you're mad, but that's kinda nasty. Wrong artist, life I party. I'm no like I feel like them a darkness. Dog, I'm a money smell, so I know me happy. All of my gal, them a Barbie, no pull up if you now bring a friend from charge it. If you ask me,
No, Barbies, the Barbies is out. I got drinking red stuff. He's in a papa.
X money send for a fuck clip. Send fall. I'm here so Frank White and no madness one night time them. Yo.
So mama can investigate. Well, no, I say mama still. But then I go investigate.
Bumbo class, send fall.
A problem. Yeah, man, if I hear the old them, man, I hope somebody in a trouble, man.
Boys! Rajah! Hold it there!
So why Rajah? From the movie start, Rajah, you pick on him. And Najeeriii is just as bad, you know. You see what I'm saying?
Shut up! Fuck up this damn bitch!
A junkie junk. I first see first. Okay, alright. First see first out, man. Pops come in. After you go with the big buckler, right? I must first out, man. I come back in. Yeah, man, gang, you know nothing about the one day. Yeah, man. RajahWild and Najeeriii. Life at the party. Yeah, man, it's a vibe. I like the tune a lot. I think it can be a club banger, bro. Club banger. Should be a stripper club banger as well. As in party banger. You see me? But as in party banger, it should be a blouse and skirt. You see me? As in party banger is like, it should shot. Najeeriii and RajahWild, they did a pretty good job, man. But yeah. Let me know one thing about the one in the comment section, gang. You see me? You think the one I got shot or what? You see me? I want more? Let me know. Should we see? Do we want more collabs from Najeeriii and RajahWild? Let me know, gang. I think they work pretty well together. And the concept they come up with is pretty cool. But yeah, man, gang. You see? I'm back. Gang, back with more bangers for y'all. I'm gonna keep dropping the bangers on your head top. I'm gonna keep them coming. You already know what time it is, man. I appreciate y'all love and support. Keep them like and subscribe button. Tell a friend, tell a family member, tell a stranger. You see me? I say, yeah, man, you don't know what time it is, gang. It's your boy Jambisco here now. Hit and smash it. Banger. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector.